Yes, get ready and start. Therefore, the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the House, apart from various rulings and conventions, have vested enough powers in the office of the chairman speaker to enable them to diffuse tense situations and ensure that decorum is maintained. Stop. For instance, there is a ruling of the chair given in July 1987 regarding the suspension of a particular member from the House. Stop. Admonishing the member for his unruly behavior, the chair asked the member to withdraw from the House. Stop. When the member did not abide by the direction of the chair asked the Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs to move a motion under the rules for the suspension of the member. Stop. The House unanimously resolved that the member may be suspended for a week from the House. Stop. Suspension of a member is thus not the arbitrary decision of the chairman or the speaker, but an act carried out by the authority bestowed on him by the House. Stop. Ultimately, it is again the House on a motion being moved which can terminate the suspension of a member from the proceedings of the House. Stop. Conclusion. While privileges are available to members to enable them to perform their parliamentary duties without any let or hindrance, they also entail certain obligations, and dignified conduct is one of the primary obligations of the members. Stop. Suspension of a member from the House for a long period would appear unfair, and it would appear as if the whole constituency is being punished for the conduct of a member. Stop. However, as a representatives of the people, members are obliged to maintain high standards of discipline and decorum in the House. Stop. The rule of suspension is a necessary self-correcting procedure to make Parliament an effective institution of democracy. Stop. Functioning of Parliament is the very basis of a democratic structure upon which the whole constitutional system rests. Stop. Therefore, care has to be taken that nothing either by actions within the precincts of the House or outside erodes public confidence in the credibility of the Constitution of Parliament, thereby weakening the grand edifice of democratic polity. Discipline and decorum are of critical importance for smooth functioning of parliamentary democracy. Stop. Any departure or deviation from the established norms of conduct by the members of tends to erode the image and credibility of parliamentary institutions in the eyes of the people. Stop. While members have to remain sensitive and responsive to the public opinions and interests, they are also expected to adhere to parliamentary etiquette. Full stop.